We're gonna do some acrobatics.
It's gonna be sweet.
Ready? Do this. Okay. Ready? Oh. Okay. Wait.
Damn it!
Oh. Yes. Ready? Practice.
This will be the practice video.
Ready? Oh yes, I'm getting better.
Me too. Ready?
Ready? Ready? Oh. No. Ready? Acrobatics. Oh shit.
Ready? It'll work.
1, 2. Relax your legs. Ready? Oh no, I think that's yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, flip around. I'll do 2. Get up. Okay, where did I put my legs? The pavement's really warm. 1? No, back 1.
Low.
Wait, there's a car coming.
Oh shit! Okay, ready?
1,
2, 3. Ready? Ready?
We're gonna walk. Oh no, there's a car. No! No, continuing on! Ready? Handstand. Okay, we can get better. Let's do this. We're gonna practice. Practice it up.
Aerobics.
Yes, aerobics.
In first class, we're going to learn how to work the hips.
Okay.
Work
Forward. Side.
back.
Side. Or faster.
Now we'll learn how to work the legs.
Oh yeah.
Like the ladies. And now the arms. And now incorporate it all together. I think we're warmed up.
Okay.
See how my cartwheel's doing now.
We'll see how mine goes. It's gonna be miraculous.
Okay.
Car.
Oh shit! I think mine's even better now.
You guys waiting for somebody to come along with a movie camera or something like that right
have
in the middle
camera.
of the street? Oh yeah, like, oh I see.
Interruptions. I'm really itchy right in the awkward area.
Handstand. You ready?
No, cartwheel first.
Okay.
Mine is amazing.
Mine sucks.
It's even better than before.
Oh, you want to see mine?
Shit.
This will rock your socks, okay? Suck it.
Somersault.
Mission. Wait.